Well, hello, and here on the Rusty Glove Box, we've been working on the Ward's Gilson Squire 10 tractor, and there you can see it right over here. So let's go over here and look at it, and let's see what all we've done. I think maybe one of the first things you'll notice is that we have a new seat on it, and this is a padded tractor seat. The seat that was on it looked like it came off of an old bass boat or something like that. It was a white fiberglass high back seat. And this looks more appropriate for the tractor. Under the hood, we've done a whole lot. We've got us a new battery. I put it inside of a battery case, new choke cable, fuel line, replaced ignition coil, replaced starter relay, replaced all of the wiring up under there, and I got my headlights operating again and put an amp meter in. I've got it wired like they say, but it doesn't look like it's moving a whole lot. So either it's not charging very much or I don't have it wired right. So I'll have to do a little more research on that. Well, one of the most amazing pieces that I saw and was surprised it still fired up. Check out that ignition coil. That's about as corroded of anything as I've ever seen. I've never seen this plastic piece up here get messed up looking like that. And this was the light switch, corroded in here. Got that green on it. And the starter relay, it wasn't working with the key. And I also replaced the ignition switch, but I don't have the old one anymore. But I went ahead and replaced the starter relay. I think what I'm going to work on next is I've got some epoxy, and I think this steering wheel, the way it looks, it must have gotten broken at one time or another and got re-welded, and I guess the plastic, it never got epoxied or anything like that. So I'm going to clean this up pretty good, and I've got some of that PUR15 epoxy putty, and I'm going to repair this, probably paint it. And I saw where I can get a decal, Montgomery Ward decal, and replace that on there, so I'll probably do that. Well, folks, we've really made a lot of progress on the Montgomery Ward's 10-horse Squire, and I'm looking forward to getting the steering wheel repaired and getting that mower deck on there. So maybe before too much longer, might mow a little grass with it. So as always, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.